We ran a contest. It was through groundhog.org. Check that out, by the way, for all your groundhog needs. People were asked to submit entries to showcase their talents. Well, we got a bunch.
We were blown away by the amount of talent that ended up showing up last night in the celebration tent downtown.
We really do have a lot of talent. So we tried to pare it down. We have 2 finalists. They're going to perform live here. Winners are getting $300.
$300!
And if you would like to be a part of this next year, stay tuned and visit groundhog.org. You can submit your entries. Our 2 finalists are a local guy, Kris Gruda. Maybe you guys, some of you know him.
Who knows Kris
Okay.
Gruda?
And a 2-man band out of Lancaster, Pennsylvania called 2 Pints Shy.
My name is Phil Groundhog. I'm here on Gobbler's Knob. Well, I've been sleeping here instead of in my bed. No hat upon my head. In a circle of my family, well, I've been speaking groundhoggies. I predict spring if I can. I'm a winter weatherman, winter weatherman. Now am I seeing you, or am I seeing me in my shadow? Well, I've been seeing you, or am I seeing me in my shadow? And oh, we need them now. Let's hope. Seeing you, or am I seeing me in my shadow? Am I seeing you, or am I seeing me in my shadow? Here we go. Hey! A little louder. Shadow! Hey! One more time. Shadow! Last time. Hey! Give it up for 2 Pints Shy.
He's been prognosticating since 1887. He tells the inner circle president the deal in groundhoggies. That's the language that he speaks. Did y'all know that? Please don't see your shadow, Mr. Phil. I want an early spring. I don't know about anybody else. The Gobbler's knob is Punxsutawney Phil's house. The Gobbler's knob is Punxsutawney Phil's house. I said the Gobbler's knob is Punxsutawney Phil's house. Ha! Gobbler's knob. Do what you gotta do. It's Punxsutawney Phil's house. The Gobbler's knob. It's Punxsutawney Phil's house. And the Gobbler's knob. It's Punxsutawney Phil's house. What that do? Thank you.
All right, Kris Gruda.
Okay, now, by applause. Who likes 2 Pints Shy?
I'll get this. You stand
And who's voting for Mr. Kris Gruda? One more. 2 Pints Shy? Mr. Kris Gruda. Mr. Kris Gruda.
Mr. Kris Gruda, the winner of
Gobbler's
the
Knob
first
Got
ever
Talent.
Gobbler's Knob Got Talent.
And now, because every game show needs a pretty girl,
Kris.
to present the check to the winner, Mr. Gruda. Kris Gruda.
We
Please
found a
welcome
lovely
Miss
lady
Ohio.
to present the check to you, Kris.
Congratulations, Kris.